In this video, we'll cover collection and subcollection variables, what they are, why they're useful, and how to use them effectively. Collection variables let you set a value once and reuse it across all requests in that collection. For example, instead of typing the base URL in every request, you can define it once as a variable at the collection level. If the URL changes later, you only need to update it in one place, and all requests will reference that updated value. To create collection variables, open your collection and head to the Variables tab. Click Add More, name your variable, and pick a type: string, number, Boolean, or secret. For secret variables, only users with edit or admin access can view the value. View-only users will just see it hidden, keeping sensitive data safe. You'll notice two fields: initial value and current value. The initial value acts as the default and syncs across your workspace. The current value is just for you. You can override it locally without impacting anyone else. Once you save, the variable is ready to use in any request within that collection. To use a variable inside a collection, wrap the variable name in double curly braces. As soon as you type the opening braces, you'll also see an autocomplete menu to help you select from available variables. Now let's talk about subcollection level variables. Just like collections, subcollections can have their own variables. And when there's a conflict, subcollection variables override the parent collection ones. For example, say your main collection has a variable called base URL set to api.example.com. But in a subcollection, you define the same variable as api2.example.com. When you run a request inside that subcollection, it will use the subcollection's value, not the parent collection's. This lets you reuse variables efficiently while still allowing overrides where needed. To sum it up, collection variables let you define values once and reuse them across all requests in that collection. Subcollection variables take priority and override collection variables if there's a conflict. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.